Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your phone with a keyboard and mouse. First, you'll need a few essential items: one USB on-the-go or OTG adapter and one USB hub. These devices will allow your phone to connect to multiple USB peripherals simultaneously. Ensure your phone supports OTG functionality, as this is crucial for the setup to work correctly. We will then proceed with the physical connections to get you gaming. To begin the physical setup, connect the small end of your USB OTG adapter into your phone's charging port. Next, take your USB hub and plug it into the larger, standard USB port on the OTG adapter. Finally, connect your gaming keyboard and mouse into any available ports on the USB hub. This creates a bridge, allowing your phone to recognize and interact with both input devices seamlessly for an enhanced gaming experience. Once your hardware is securely connected, launch the Roblox application on your phone. Navigate to the in-game settings menu, usually found via an icon like a gear or 3 lines. Here, you can customize your controls. Adjust the mouse sensitivity to your preference and remap keyboard keys for movement and actions. Experiment with different configurations to find what feels most comfortable and efficient for your gameplay style. If you encounter any issues, first double-check all your physical connections to ensure they are snug. Sometimes, simply restarting your phone or the Roblox app can resolve minor glitches. Also, verify that your phone's operating system and the Roblox application are updated to their latest versions. For the best experience, consider using a phone stand and a flat, stable surface for your keyboard and mouse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.